YouTube? It's your boy Cam.
And Kiki.
Yo, we back with another video. Well, we back with another mukbang.
A mukbang.
Mukbang.
A mukbang on.
We got candy.
And Cameron couldn't wait to open it and he ate some of it.
Oh God, you ate some.
He's mine.
Oh, candy?
He's mine.
More candy. What are you doing? You already ate some. Let me see your mouth.
We just wanted to talk to y'all.
Oh, yeah, don't you?
Can you tell us the story of how you broke your foot? Because you never told me.
Oh, what you mean? I didn't say I did tell you.
Well, yeah, you didn't tell me the details of how it happened.
What you mean details?
Like, all I know is you broke your foot playing basketball. You never told me how it happened.
I mean, it ain't like a story.
What you mean?
Alright, y'all, so
Somebody crossed that ass?
That's a good one. That's a good one. But no. So y'all listen. So y'all know I was at the YMCA, right? So then we playing basketball. I played like 4 or 5 games. So then these boys came in. They was not like good at hooping.
Mm-hmm.
And we was playing around, like we played like 5 serious games and we was playing hard.
Mm-hmm.
Kiki, stop acting like that. 4 or 5 games we was playing so hard. Then the last game, this little kid and his dad said he got next. So he picked up this thing, he picked up me, Red, and all them. So then, a couple minutes in the game, I tried to, everybody just playing around because we want to play hard because there's a little kid in there. So then, 5 minutes later, I go for a steal. Stop playing. I go for a steal and I land on a dude's foot. And I don't know how it did it. I was looking up while I was getting a steal. Then I stood on his foot. Then I was like, I thought I just twisted my ankle because I was like, man down, man down, man down, man down. And then I couldn't walk no more. I'm like, hold on. Then I tried to step, like, ooh. And I felt something like move. I'm like, oh snap. You know what I'm saying? Went home, like an Epsom salt, and sucked my feet for like an hour. Then hugged it again, iced it. Didn't feel better, so went to the doctor. They said, well, you have a crack bone in your foot. I said, oh, damn. What was that?
Oh, he was on the part where he was like,
Tell them the process.
Damn. Huh?
Tell them the process of cutting your hair.
Why cut it? Tell them why? Okay.
Girl, you like.
Okay, y'all, so, like, you know, my hair was black when we first started YouTube, right? And then, like, a couple months later, I dyed it red, burgundy, whatever.
The biggest mistake of your life.
Biggest mistake of my life. Because I had to bleach my hair. And then it made my hair real dry.
That was natural.
Made my hair real dry. My hair wouldn't curl up no more.
You just there.
It's ain't?
Yeah, you don't know yet. Carry on.
So yeah, my hair was dry, wouldn't curl up no more. So I'm like, Mom, I'm gonna cut my hair like yours. So that's what I did, y'all. My hair was just really dry. And now my hair is not even red no more.
It's like an orange pumpkin.
It's like an orange color, but everybody liked my color on my hair, so except for Cam. Everybody say it's cute. And then, y'all, the reason my hair been like this is because I don't put no heat on it. At least for the rest of the year.
It's starting to curl up again a little bit?
You see it? Like, yeah, I don't know what products to put in my hair. And I've been using sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. And I've been doing, like, y'all know what that Aztec Indian clay is? I've been using that on my hair, like, once a week. And it make my hair a little soft. My hair not as dry no more. And it cut up a little bit. And y'all, what else was I saying? I don't know if I want to grow it back yet, to be honest. Cam wants me to, but I don't want to grow my hair back.
You're going to grow it back.
I don't want to because I like it like this.
You're growing your hair back.
No, I'm not. You can't make me none boo-boo. How your grades looking?
I don't know.
Mine bad.
I only got 2 out of the whole thing.
Well, y'all should like. Why don't y'all talk to us on our Instagram? We made it for y'all and y'all don't text us. Unlucky.
Some people do.
Well, yo.
They do. We do be getting inboxes. Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Yeah. You making us seem lame and we not.
They don't come to my phone.
Where? Could you get a fake iPhone? That's why.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Get on my face.
That's why your foot is broken.
And you know a girl named Karma? You know a girl named Karma?
Yep.
She's a very nice young lady. You'll meet her someday.
No, I'm not. I want this one.
Oh, wait, thumbnail. Oh, thumbnail. You gotta eat it now. You gotta eat it now.
You eat it.
No. Here.
You eat it.
Here. Oh, no. Oh, no.
That special somebody, hey.